Hello there and then welcome to this brand new video. In this video, you are solving the question you see here displayed. Now it says you have to solve the inequality and represent the answer on a number line. So let's look at how we do that. Okay, so let's look at our solution. You can choose to pause and then try your hands on it just to see if you can be able to do it. Now without much I say, let's quickly go into it. So we have 5x minus 3, which is greater than or equal to 15x minus 11 all over 2. This is an inequality, and as we can see, we have a denominator here. There's a fraction involved, right? So anytime there's a fraction involved, you can choose to remove the denominator, which is our fraction. You see, now with this, there's only one fraction. So you can just straightforward cross multiply. You should know that this here is over 1. You see, so if you want to cross multiply, it means this numerator here multiplies the 2 and the 1 also multiplies here. What do I mean by that? I simply mean that we are going to multiply 2, which is the denominator here, by all of this. So 5x minus 3, we have greater than or equal to. And you know our denominator here is 1. So the 1 here multiplies all of this over here. You know 1 times anything is still the same thing. So we still have our 15x minus 11. Then at this point, we open our bracket. So the 2 multiplies whatever is here and also multiplies what you have here. So 2 times 5x gives us a 10x. Then we have our 2 times negative 3 gives us a negative 6 greater than or equal to. We have our 15x minus 11. At this point, you group like terms. Grouping like terms simply means wherever you have x's, they will be at one place. Wherever you have numbers would also be at one place. So let's choose to bring the x's to the left hand side. To the left hand side, we are going to get our 10x. Then this here is a positive 15x. So it moves to the other side to become a negative 15x. Greater than or equal to, we already have a negative 11 here. Then this negative 6 moves to the other side to give us a positive 6. Now with that done, we can now simplify. So 10x minus 15x gives us a negative 5x. So we have negative 5x is greater than or equal to negative 11 plus 6 also gives us a negative what? 5. Then at this point, it is x we want and not negative 5x. So what we do is we divide both sides by our negative 5. And since we are dividing by a negative sign, a negative, the inequality symbol here is going to change. So that if we are going to say this negative 5 cancels out this negative 5 and you're left with x, then greater than or equal to becomes less than or equal to. Then this one also cancels that to give us what? A 1. So this is what we have here. X is less than or equal to what? 1. Now, how do we represent this on our number line? So to get it on our number line, let's get the number line down. So this is going to be my number line. And make sure what you are going to represent, you are going to get it on your line as well. In this case, we have 1, right? So I'm just going to put my 1 over here. So I have my 1 here. Then at this side, I'll put 2, 3, 4, what have you, right? Then at the left hand side, I'm just going to put my 0, then negative 1, negative 2, and then negative 3. We have it on the 1. So you draw a circle on the 1 and you shade it. You are shading it because they said or equal to. You see? So because of the or equal to, you make sure that it's shaded nicely. Then you look at the direction it is pointing towards. You see, it is pointing towards this side, right? This is the symbol. This here is the symbol. So if I draw a line this way, you see the side it is pointing. Yes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my straight line to move towards what, this side over here. And